Hey, we just came here for work. We're trying
Yo,
to clean this place.
we just clocked into our shift, you know. I'm about to start whipping it up in the kitchen, man. I'm at Chick-Fil-A with it, man. Like, hey, man, it's my job, bro. It's tough out here, you know. We out here, we working at Chick-Fil-A. You know, business hasn't started yet, but we gotta start preparing the food, you know, early in the morning. On my grind, you know, we had to drive through with it, baby. Yo, all right, bro. So I'm gonna be back in a minute. We gonna be in the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. My brother cooking it up. Making a sandwich. It looks good. Really good. Hey, Nick, go back to making your sandwich.
Yeah, my fault. All right, good, bro. I was just checking up on you.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, and we work here, and we have slaves. And one of you guys are gonna be our slaves, okay? And you'll have to clean here. It's very dirty. So try your best. Slaves just walks past us. I'm gonna check on him cooking. Oh my goodness. Holy.
Hey, I'm gonna need my phone back.
I'm
Hey, man, back at it again. You know, we in the kitchen, bro. And you know, it's about that time, bro. It's time for me getting my Duffy. You know, I'm a real chef out here with it, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So let me find somewhere to set up my camera, and I'm gonna show y'all the process of making a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Guys, man, it's tough, bro. It's tough out here in these coronavirus streets, man. I'm sorry. I gotta inform y'all, bro. I got fired, bro. I got fired from Chick-fil-A, bro. And they said, you not recording nothing in here. You not giving out the secret chicken sandwich recipe. And they fire me. So, like, bro, I'm going to come back. I'm gonna break into Chick-fil-A. When I break into Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna make a chicken sandwich for y'all, bro. I'm going to show y'all how. Trust. Don't worry, bro. The video's still on the way, but I'm going to have to do it in another video. Peace.